This is Yasmeen and I welcome you to hyderabadwala.com. Today I am here with another recipe that is Nariyal Kesar Pak or Nariyal Kesar Barfi, or a sweet made of coconut and saffron. Add 4 tablespoons clarified butter or pure ghee to a pan. Add 500 grams Khowa or Mawa. Stir fry for a minute till no lumps are left. Mix 1/4 teaspoon yellow food color to half cup milk. Also add few saffron sticks. Now add this colored milk to the pan. Stir fry to prevent burning. Add 1½ cup grated dry coconut. I have used a 200 ml cup in this recipe. Add 1 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons cardamom or Elaichi powder. Stir fry for about 10 to 15 minutes till the paste leaves the pan and appears heavy and dry while stirring. This will be the exact texture that will set the sweet. Line a setting tray or a container with a baking sheet. Add this paste to the tray. Level with a spatula or a spoon dipped in clarified butter or pure ghee. Decorate with silver paper and sprinkle some drops of water on this paper to prevent the air bubbles. Once cooled, keep this tray in the refrigerator till it sets. After setting, remove the baking sheet delicately from the tray and slice into rectangular or square pieces. The delicious Nariyal Kesar Pak or coconut and saffron sweet is ready. Store in an airtight container, refrigerate and use within a week. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment and like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.